Okay, today I got my Sparrows handcuff tools available. Just came in a little while ago. And let's see, how do I get in here? Let's see it up. Okay. This is a 3D printed handcuff key, $5. And these, can't hardly see them in there. There's two of them in there. They're Shims for the handcuff key. This is my handcuff set. It's a cheap one, but I'm going to see if they work. Okay. First thing we're going to test out is the handcuff key. Okay. Mom don't let me have a sharp knife or sharp scissors. Okay. What did I cut the wrong end? Okay. This is it. Okay, let's throw it at the camera, sure. Let's see if this thing breaks off. Okay, here we go. Sturdy material. Let's see here. No, it don't fit. Okay, let's see if their shims work. Holy mackerel. Well, this looks like a very good possibility. Let's see if these work. Okay, there's two of them in there. Different widths. No, same width. Don't know what the difference is, but let's see if this is shim. Okay. No. Shims don't work either. Not for these cuffs. Maybe I'll send these over to Greyhound Picking and see if they work in any of his cuffs, or maybe see Stu do. He probably already tried these though. But that's a waste of money from Sparrows. That's all I have today. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.